It's TravisPlays Life. Sorry, I've got to get used to it. I've changed it to TravisPlays. I know a new logo, I just don't remember a name. We're back here with another video. We're going to be making an advent calendar, as you can see by the title up here. An advent calendar in Scratch. As before, I'm using the desktop version, so I can show you to do it on the desktop version. The desktop version though is the exact same as the online version, except the online version you can share it to the public. Whereas here, it's on my local computer. Right, so before we get started, I'm just going to say this is a thing about Christmas. If you are not a Christian or you don't like Christmas, then I'm very sorry, but this is not a video for you. If you do, then we can continue on ahead. This is a horrible piece of music. There you go. I can leave titles used in the description if you want me to, but for now we're going to get started on our project. First of all, is you're going to make a very simple script, but first of all we need our things. So why am I? Yeah, I need to paint one. There we go. You're going to have a button. We want no outline. And what we want to do is we want to fill it with a nice colour, like a Christmassy one. Like this maybe. There we go. And we can even make it look like a Christmas package if you want. Yeah, so if we amp up this and set it to red, I want it to be no fill, and what we can do is we can do it like this. I didn't want to do that. Control C and Control V if you wanted to. And what we'll do is it's like this. We'll select both of them. There you go. So you'd use that by using Shift. You'd group them. So 1. You had it there, but you wanted to go back, so it looks like decent present. There we go, just gonna group those together now. And we're gonna call this Day Detector. You can call it whatever you want, this is my way of doing it. Yeah, and we're going to add in some text here in a little bit of a gold colour. No, I'm going to do it red, that doesn't seem nicest of colours there. Detect day of December. Just going to fit this in. We're just going to have it simply sitting there. And we're going to have one green flag clicked. We're going to be adding in a variable. I'm going to call this variable day. I'm going to set day to nothing. Day 0 then. And what is going to be happening is this is going to effectively, we're going to click this button and it's going to tell us what the day is and how long it is to Christmas, and you can add in anything else, like for example, if you wanted a I don't know, so let's say you wanted an inspirational quote one day for a Christmas quote, or a saying from a Christmas film, I don't know. So someone suggested the other day in a quiz I did, apparently Die Hard is a Christmas film. I'm not sure how, let's just Yeah, apparently that is a Christmas film, but I don't understand it. I've never watched it. I'd like to though. It's on Prime, I think. But anyhow, so now we've got our Tech Day of December. What we are going to do is we are going to set up our script. I'm going to have forever in here. Actually, no, we won't do that there. And what we're going to do is we are going to just leave that there, so it's, as we press the green flag, it shows the visual element that is still running. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a when this Y is clicked, and we are going to add in some statements. So for example, we're going to use an equals, and we're going to have day. Oh, this is what we needed, so we're going to have day. This is, we're going to constantly set the day to the current date. We're going to have an if and we're going to go into something again, and we're going to use the current month feature is 12 and set date to current date. This will make it so it can only happen during December. If we get my variables running, as you can see, it's the 4th of December when I'm recording this, that is. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set up different things, like we're going to have the one clicked, and if this is the case, we're going to make it display something. So let's say if it's a day first, saying just something fun. That needs to be capitaling there. 3, hopefully that's enough time to read it. Then we're just gonna have did you eat your Advent chocolate this morning? So that's gonna happen with first thing. So I need first in there, why not? And now that's running. We have it, so it is running constantly. On the clicked, it'll check for these things. So when we're going to duplicate, if the day was 2, then say welcome back for 2 seconds or something, and then say how I just stated you put up Christmas lights. That's another question mark. Yeah, so you can do it like this, or if we go to Edge, for example. There we go, it loads. It is live. We're going to search for Christmas quote. And I'm just going to see if there's any up here on the web. When it eventually loads. There we go. Yeah, so Merry Christmas one and all. That's some The Grinch. Right, so we can add this in nearer to the time, so I'm just gonna And you've got the Grinch here. So you can have this on like the 3rd, not E. I want it 3. Thank you. And we can have many different lists of things for it to say. So now I'm going to pause this here, so we've already 10 minutes in, which is surprising. Felt like no time went by. And I'm going to jump cut to when I've completed one for every day until Christmas. We are not going to do anything after Christmas, as, well, Christmas is when Jesus is born, Christmas Day is when you receive your presents. If you got Advent Calendar messages after Christmas, what use would that be? So it'll still be monthly, you'll still set it at date. Just have something saying if it's anything above Christmas Day, then it will say, hope you enjoyed your Christmas, program is not active anymore, or something like that. Anyhow, we'll cut to that, and I hope you enjoy this break. It's a break for me. For you, it'll you'll see the result in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Just added a few things in. I've decided I'm not going to do every day of Christmas. I may do a completed one on Scratch or something, but that's if I can find a time to do every day until the 25th of December and a day or so afterwards. Yeah, so I've added in this script, which is called say join only. You definitely want to add a space in here because this bit just packs it together and doesn't add any space in automatically. So this script effectively just tells you, so if we run it for today, welcome back, it's snowish on the day of 2020, only 21 days until Christmas, so it's going to give you a live countdown and how many days it is you've got to wait, which personally I think is a useful feature, but I don't know, depends if you feel like you want it or not. You may decide to type it in to avoid making this mistake where you need to put spaces on either side, or you could decide it's a good idea, or you just don't want any countdown whatsoever, you want it to be a surprise. I don't know, it depends what you want, but yeah. So we've got this basic script. I've added in a backdrop, not the best of Christmas trees, and snow isn't actually falling. I'm going to make a live thing as another video where you can have live snow falling down and a live Christmas tree. Not the most impressive of things, but it's better than having no Christmas tree or no snow. But then again, if we wanted to be realistic, Christmas trees but no snow. I don't know, it's a weird country we live in, England. A very weird country. Yeah, so this is a basic script, basic things. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying not to go too over, as I got suggestions saying people are more likely to watch a 15-minute video. So I'm testing this theory. If you believe you've watched it to this point, can you comment down below saying I watched till and then timestamp, just so I can know what the general watch time of individual users are. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and comment down below. Any more ideas or festive things I could do, anything coding wise, any concepts, don't hesitate to comment. Also, please leave a sub, that would be great. We're currently on 6 subscribers, I believe. Let's see. There we go. Let's see what current thing is from this video. Yep, 6 subscribers. I'm hoping to try and improve on that. Yep. Please leave a like, comment down below. Please leave a sub, and thank you. Have a nice day.